Namaste and welcome. In today's video lecture, we will learn basic playing techniques for the metal singing bowls. One way to play the bowl is striking or hitting the bowl. You can strike or hit the bowl with a soft mallet or a felt mallet or a hard mallet. Hitting or striking at different parts of the bowl will produce different sounds. Normally, this is the part where you hit the bowl. If you hit the bowl at the base of the bowl, it won't give that reverberation or profound vibration. So it's the upper 3/4 part of the bowl where we need to hit the striker or the mallet. Now, hitting with the soft mallet is pretty simple, but you need to do it little differently with a hard mallet or a felt mallet. So, if you want, you can hit it that way as we have done it with the soft mallet. But it will give a very sharp, pitchy sound. It sounds more pleasant when you slightly touch the mallet over the rim or over the edge of the bowl. So, doing it this way is more pleasant to the ears. And we try to touch just the rim or edge of the bowl. If we strike the mallet like this is how it will sound, which is what we don't want. So, this is the way. Slightly touching the upper edge or rim of the bowl with the mallet. So, we don't touch the bowl or hit the bowl with the mallet like this, but we do it like this. I hope it's clear. Now, let's see how to rim or circle the singing bowl. Let me first show you. So, even this is pretty simple. You just need to touch the bowl with the mallet and circle its edge or its rim. And you will also need to apply a little pressure while doing this, and the bowl will start singing. And it's best to just do the wrist movement with the smaller bowls and not the elbow or shoulder movement. Doing that may produce some scratching. sound. And the speed of circling or rimming will also change the vibration of the bowl. So this is what it sounds like when this particular bowl sounds like when I do rimming a bit faster. And this is how the vibration unfolds when done slowly. So this is the basic technique to play a metal singing bowl, and same works on all the sizes and all the styles of the bowl. Now let's also see how to stop a bowl. Although you may think, why is it even necessary to stop a bowl? But you will find out in the upcoming classes where it comes in use to stop the bowl. So let me just quickly show you how to stop a bowl. So one way is this, but this is not very pleasant. So a better way to stop the bowl is touching the bowl slightly, applying little pressure, and the bowl will start to slow down. Once again, I will show you that. So it's like a voice controller where you can very gently reduce the vibration of the bowl instead of just swishing it. So this was all for the basic playing techniques of the bowl. Thank you. Namaste.